Hi students, today we are learning the topic is numerical integration. So what is the numerical integration here? మనకి two type integration, general integration and numerical integration. So to finding approximation value of the given definite integral. So in this finding we have three formulas to finding the numerical integration. So the first one is trapezoidal rule. So what is the formula for finding the numerical integration in trapezoidal rule? See that here. So let given function is y is equal to f of x be continuous and integrable function in the given interval. This is a given closed interval a comma b. Okay, this closed interval a comma b can be divided into subintervals and x0 comma y0, and x0 is equal to here x0 x1 is the subinterval, x1 x2 up to so on xn minus 1 xn, that is the subintervals of the given interval, and x0 is equal to a here. So this is x0 is equal to a and xn is equal to b. So x0 substituting in the given function we getting the y0, x1 substituting in the given function getting y1 up to so on xn substituting we getting yn. This is the tabular values and x values and y values. So be the given set of tabular values of the given function y is equal to f of x. Ikkada h is equal to step length of each subinterval, that is we have to finding formula b minus a by n. So b is equal to ending kada. So this is the b minus a dividing by n. N is the n subintervals, number of subintervals, that is equal step length. Step length is the same for each subinterval. So that is xi minus 1, where I is equal to 1 2 3 up to so on. So therefore, so this is the integrable value. So this formula is equal to finding this integration from the interval a to b, which is equal to formula and here, that is equal to h by 2. H is the length of subinterval by 2. So y0 plus yn, the first value, the last value, and plus 2 into sum of the remaining values y1 plus y2 plus up to so on yn minus any values undochu, not n values, 2 values to 3 values up to, so depend on the number of subintervals. Okay na? So this is the formula for finding the trapezoidal rule, that is equal to h by 2 into sum of first and last y ordinates plus 2 into sum of remaining y ordinates. So this is the first formula, trapezoidal rule. Okay, so next, okay, Simpson's 1 by 3 rule. So this is another formula for finding the numerical integration. See that. So yeah, same, let y is equal to f of x given function in the interval a comma b and given table values x value y values. Okay na? And h is the step length of each subinterval. Okay, the same step length. So I is equal to 1 2 3 up to so on. So therefore Simpson 1 by 3 rule is the integration of f of x from a to b is a numerical integration is equal to formula is h by 3 into y0 plus yn plus 4 into y1 plus y3 plus up to so on plus 2 into y2 plus y4 plus up to so on. So that is equal to h by 3. So first value and last value y ordinates, next plus 4 into the sum of the odd ordinates, odd y ordinates, plus 2 into sum of even y ordinates. This is the second formula for finding the numerical integration. Okay na? So next one, Simpson 3 by 8 rule. And so that is equal third formula. Similarly same, given y is equal to f of x function and given table values. Okay na? For the given function y is equal to f of x and h is the step length. So same Simpson 3 by 8 rule is, so 3h by 8 into y0 plus yn plus 3 into y1 plus y2 plus y4 plus y5 plus up to so on. Here missing y3 y6 y9 అంటే multiple of 3 ordinates missing, and plus 2 into remaining values y3 plus y6 6 plus y9 plus up to so on. So this is Simpson 3/8 rule. Okay, na? So these are three formulas. Now see that examples. Okay. Yeah, see the problems. Yeah, first example here. Evaluate integration 0 to 1 x cube into dx with 5 subintervals by trapezoidal rule. And a given interval a comma b, that is 0 comma 1, which is can be divided into 5 subintervals. Okay, na? So that is equal to, let the given function assumption, what a given function is x cube kada, and y is equal to f of x is equal to x cube. So given interval a comma b is equal to 0 comma 1 and n is equal to total subintervals 5. So now finding each subinterval length h is equal to length of each subinterval formula, h is equal to b minus a by n, that is 1 minus 0 by 5, that is 0.2, and each value and x values each length is compulsory equal 0.2 only. Okay, na? That is equal to, see that here a value x values, first value a is equal x naught, x naught is equal starting value 0. నెక్స్ట్ x1 ఏమవుతుంది మనకి సబ్ ఇంటర్వెల్ లెంత్ 0.2 కదా, అంటే ఈచ్ ఎక్స్ వాల్యూకి 0.2 యాడ్ చేసుకుని వెళ్ళిపోవాలి ద లాస్ట్ వాల్యూ 1 వరకు. సో ఫస్ట్ వాల్యూ 0, నెక్స్ట్ 0.2, నెక్స్ట్ యాడింగ్ 0.2 దట్ ఈస్ 0.4, నెక్స్ట్ యాడింగ్ 0.2 మీన్స్ 0.6, నెక్స్ట్ యాడింగ్ 0.2 0.8, నెక్స్ట్ యాడింగ్ 0.2 1. సో చూడండి లాస్ట్ వాల్యూ 1. చూడండి మనకి ఇంటర్వెల్ 0,1 కదా, సో వీటి మధ్యలో ఇవి వాల్యూస్ ఈచ్ sub interval. This is x0 x1 x1 x2 x2 x3 x3 x4 x4 x5, totally 5 sub intervals and 6 values. Okay, now this is the y values, 6 x values only. So y values substituting in the given function, we getting the y values y0 y1 y2 y3 y4 y5. Okay, now first one y is equal to f of x0 here, y value finding x0 substituting, f of x is equal to x cube and x naught cube and 0 cube 0. Next y1 is equal to f of x1 cube, x1 is equal to here 0.2, given function substituting 0.2 whole cube 0.008. y2 is equal to f of x2 x2 cube, that is 0.4 whole cube, that is equal to 0.064. Next y3 means x3 substitute, that is equal to x3 whole cube, x3 is equal to 0.6 whole cube 0.216. Next y4 f of x4, that is x4 3 0.8 whole cube 0.512. Next y5, that is f of x5 whole cube 1 cube is equal to 1. Okay, na? This is the y values and y0 y1 y2 y3 y4 y5. Now using the trapezoidal rule. So by trapezoidal rule, so given integration 0 to 1 x cube dx is equal to formula h by 2 y0 plus y5, అంటే లాస్ట్ వాల్యూ y5 కదా మనకి, ఫార్ములా ఏమో y0 plus yn, అక్కడ n is equal 5, అంటే y0 plus y5 plus 2 into remaining values, remaining ఏంటిది y1 plus y2 plus y3 plus y4, all y values substituting in these formulas, we getting the value is h is equal 0.2 by 2, h value is step length 0.2 by 2 into y0 0 plus y5 and 1 plus 2 into y1 value, this is y2 value plus y3 value y4 value, all simplification value we getting the value 0.26. This is the integration of 0 to 1 x cube dx. This is a numerical value, that is approximation value 0.26. So this is the numerical integration using the first formula trapezoidal rule. Okay, understood? Okay, see the next example. So calculate the value integration 0 to 6 1 by 1 plus x square dx using Simpson's 1 by 3 rule and Simpson 3 by 8 rule by taking 6 subintervals and n is equal to 6 here and determine the error. So error means, so first finding using these two numerical values, that is the numerical methods. Next finding the exact value and the general integration find out చేసి what is the difference between both values, that is called error. Okay na? First finding the numerical value by using numerical methods. Okay, let the given function is y is equal to f of x is equal to, this is a function 1 by 1 plus x square, given interval a comma b is equal to 0 comma 6. So total number of subintervals 6. So therefore step length b minus a by 6 here, b is equal to 6 minus a is equal to 0 by 6, that is equal to 1, and length of each subinterval is 1. Okay, therefore x values here, first value x naught a is equal x naught is equal first value 0 starting kada. Next x1 is equal 1 and adding 1, step length 1, next to 2, next to 3 4 5 6, the last value 6 b value 0 to 6, totally 7 values, 6 subintervals. Next finding the y values, substituting the x value in the function, we getting the y values. So that is equal to y naught is equal to f of x naught 1 by 1 plus x naught square 1 by 1 plus 0 square is equal to 1. Next to y1 f of x1 1 by 1 plus x1 whole square 1 by 1 plus 1 square is equal to 0.5. y2 f of x2 is equal to 1 by 1 plus x2 square is equal to 1 by 1 plus 2 square. Simplification is 0.2. y3 value f of x3 1 by 1 plus x3 whole square 1 by 1 plus 3 square is equal to 0.1. y4 value f of x4 is equal to 1 by 1 plus x4 square 1 by 1 plus 4 is equal to 0.0588. Next y5 f of x5 1 by 1 plus x5 whole square is equal to 1 by 1 plus 5 square is equal to 0.0384. Next y6 f of x6 1 by 1 plus x6 square is equal to 1 by 1 plus 6 square is equal to 0.027. Okay na? This is the y values. So using the two formulas directly substituting, we getting the numerical value, that is equal to by Simpson 1 by 3 rule first of all. Okay, so this is a formula, Simpson 1 by 3 rule, h by 3 into y0 plus y6, last value y6 plus 4 into odd y ordinates, that is y ordinates odd means 4 into y1 plus y3 plus y5 plus 2 into remaining even ordinates y2 plus y4. Okay, substituting all y values, that is equal to h is equal to 1 by 3, this is y0 y6 plus 4 into y1 plus y3 plus y5 plus 2 into y2 plus y4. Okay, simplification is 1.366. This is the approximation value of given integral by using Simpson 1 by 3 rule. Next, Simpson 3 by 8 rule formula. So this is 3 by 8 formula, 3h by 8 into y0 plus y6 plus 3 into y1 plus y2 plus y4 plus y5 plus 2 into multiple of 3 y ordinate, 2 into y3 ఒకటే ఉంచుకోండి, y6 already here, y0 plus the last value y6, substituting all values. So 3 into 1 by 8 y0 plus y6 plus 3 into y1 y2 y4 y5 plus 2 into y3. Okay na? Simplification is 1.356975. This is the approximation value. అంటే nearly approximation both ఉంటాయండి. Using any formula we getting the approximately same. Okay na? So now finding the exact value, exact integration value using the directly formula for integration. So finding error. So that is analytical value, exact value, integration 0 to 6 1 by 1 plus x square dx. So integration of 1 by 1 plus x square is tan inverse x. Substituting lower limit, upper limit. X is equal 6. Tan inverse 6 minus tan inverse 0 into 0. So tan inverse 6 is equal value is 1.40564. This is the analytical value and so this is the both are numerical values. Now finding error. Error means analytical value minus numerical value in both formulas. So error is equal to analytical value minus numerical value. Okay, in Simpson 1/3 rule, error is equal to this analytical value minus this is a numerical value is equal to 0.03964. Next to Simpson 3/8 rule, error. So analytical value minus numerical value is equal to 0.048665. So this is the error. Okay, understood? So next one. So next example, find the value of integration 1 to 5 log x base 10 into dx, taking with h is equal to step length 0.5 directly by using trapezoidal rule. So same procedure, let f y is equal to f of x is log x base 10. So given interval 1, 5, step length 0.5, that is equal x naught, first value 1. Next adding each value is 0.5 kada. So next value x1 is equal to 1.5, x2 is equal to 2, x3 is equal to 2.5, x4 is equal to 3, xy is equal to 3.5, x6 is equal to 4, x7 is equal to 4.5, x8 is equal to 5. So totally how many values? 9 values, 8 subintervals, x0, x1, x1, x2, so x2, x3 up to so on, x7, x8, the total 8 subintervals and 9 values. Next, similarly finding y values. Substituting x values in the function, we getting the y values. So first value y naught is equal to f of x naught. So log 1 base 10 is equal to 0. y1 is equal to f of x1. Log 1.5 base 10 0.167. y2 f of x2. Log 2 base 10 0.301. y3 log 2.5 base 10 0.397. y4 log 3 base 10 0.477. y5 log 3.5 base 10 0.544. y6 log 4 base 10 0.602. y7 log 4.5 base 10 0.653. y8 log 5 base 10 0.698. So this is a y values only. So using trapezoidal rule, so this is a trapezoidal rule, h by 2 into y naught plus y8 plus 2 into up to so on, y1 plus y2 plus up to so on, y7. All values substituting here, 0.5 by 2, h is equal step length 0.5 given, y naught plus y8, 2 into y1, y2, y3, y4, y5, y6, y7. Simplification we getting 1.7495. This is the approximation value of the given integration log x base 10 in the interval 1, 5. Okay na? So next one. So next example here. Okay, this is an important question, the very important long question. A rocket is launched from ground. Its acceleration measured every 5 seconds is tabulated below. Find the velocity and the position of the rocket at 40 seconds. Use trapezoidal rule. This is the application of the numerical integration. And here finding the velocity and position of the rocket. Velocity find out and position. Where is the rocket at 40 seconds? Okay, given the table is time. Time is charged each 5 seconds ki its acceleration given. 0 time, 5 time, up to 10 times, seconds. 15 seconds, 20 seconds, 25 seconds, up to 40 seconds. So it's given acceleration only. Assumption this is x value, this is a y value, directly given. Okay na? So we know that acceleration is equal to the rate of change of velocity. Acceleration given. So acceleration is equal to dv by dt formula. The rate of change of the velocity that is acceleration, where v is the velocity. Okay, now but we have to finding here velocity kada. So velocity means this is acceleration is equal differentiation. We want velocity means anti-derivative. Anti-derivative means integration. So that is equal to v is equal to integration of acceleration. So v is equal to a of t dt. So from the interval is time kada, interval 0 to 40. Here given interval 0 to 40 and so that to find v is equal to integration from 0 to 40 a of t dt. So that is the interval a comma b is equal to 0 to 40. Subinterval, each subinterval is length and the each 5 seconds kada. So step length is length of each subinterval 5. Okay na. So here first value t naught given x values t lo ichcharanడి, y values emo a. So starting value t naught. So t naught is equal 0, t1 5, t2 10, t3 15, t4 20, t5 25, t6 30, t7 35, t8 40. Okay na. So already given y values means a value. A naught is equal to 40, a1 is equal to 45.25, a2 is equal to 48.5, a3 51.25, a4 54.35, a5 59.48, a6 61.5, a7 64.3, a8 68.7. Okay, now this is the values. Now using the trapezoidal rules, directly substituting we have to finding the value. Okay. So by trapezoidal rule, so integration 0 to 40 a of t dt is equal to, this is a formula and okay na, h by 2 a8 plus a8 sorry a0 plus a8 plus 2 into a1 plus a2 plus a3 plus a4 plus a5 plus a6 plus a7, all values substituting here. So h by 2 and h is equal 5 by 2, a0 a8 2 into a1 a2 a3 a4 a5 a6 a7. Okay na. Now simplification, the total value is 2194.9 approximation. This is the velocity only after 40 seconds. Okay na. Next finding position of the rocket up at 40 seconds. So using this formula, at t is equal to 40 seconds, formula position of the rocket is equal to velocity into time. So velocity is already finding here into time at 40 seconds. That is equal to 2194.9 into 40 is equal to 87,796. And the distance lo undandi. Position of the rocket after 40 seconds starting nunchi 87,079 distance lo undadi. Okay. So this is the velocity and position of the rocket. This is application of the numerical integration and the important question, very very important. Okay. So understood? Yeah, thank you. For more videos, please do subscribe my channel, like and share it. Thank you. Thank you.